something really handy from PS Home. PS Home is one of our exclusive brands right here at QVC. That means problem solving home. A lot of us hate to crouch. We don't want to be on our hands and knees or sitting on an upside down bucket as we weed and garden throughout our homes. This is something special because it's a portable garden seat with that removable tool bag, originally priced at $49. Today, $31.99, 5 easy payments of $6.40. It's seriously just that perfect little perch that gives you that little bit of elevation to save your back and your knees. I think this is so clever. Great colors to choose from. I'm sitting on our navy choice. Right next to me is our rose. Now these two look very similar, but the first is tofu. And then the last is gray. So I want to tell you that I am so excited because one of my very favorite ladies is here. Ashley, they told me you weren't here and now you're here. Hi, I'm happy to see you, Ashley.
Good to see you. Hello.
Ashley is a busy mom of 5, and she brings us all kinds of cool things from PS Home. Talk to me about this little seat because it's so clever.
Thank you. So PS Home, or problem solving home, is all about finding solutions to those headaches, issues around your house. We designed this to be portable, yet very functional with a 2-in-1 design. So it really can be used 3 ways. One is the stool as we're sitting on, with a weight limit of 250 pounds. Then you can have it together, and then so you can access the pouch as you're gardening or as you're cleaning with cleaning supplies. Or Chelsea, I can just simply unclip this and have the tote be separate so they don't necessarily have to be connected to each other in use.
Okay, I want to show everyone what I just did. I stood up, I picked it up. You can also carry it so easily all together. How much does this weigh?
So we don't have an exact weight on it. Super lightweight, but
so lightweight,
but sturdy. Holds up to 250 pounds. The bag itself is 12 inches by 10, which is a great size. We have 3 pockets in the front with elastic. And Chelsea, the reason why we did that is when you transport items, like we have some tools back here, they're not going to fall out if they're behind the elastic, okay? Then we did a very smart design. I think we have a very smart brand team here. We have a curved pocket, and the reason why we did that was that while you're sitting down to garden, you're actually able to access that pocket
inside.
From the side.
I want you to think about all those tasks that we perform around our home that you are like in a crouch or you're like trying to sit. I'm talking about cleaning baseboards. Right now we're painting baseboards in our home. This is a back saver. It's a knee saver, and it's so quick and handy. The stool alone, I think, is worth the price of admission, but I love that you're also getting that handy tote as well, because Ashley, can I see it?
Please.
Look how big this tote actually is. So if you're going to use the 2 things separately, you're getting this great garden tote. And we say garden, but you can literally fill it with anything. Tools.
Like go to like a ball game,
woman after my heart. Because I love that you were thinking about that. Like a ball game, a beach. How many times do you just need a little seat? You don't want to be on the ground.
Totally. And it collapses so easily. No tools required for assembly. I mean, you literally just pop it open. And like I said, you can either attach, I can reattach it, or you can use it separately. So really 3 different ways to use it. Stool, tote, and then together.
I also want you to think about little ones. You know, we talked about you, a busy mom of 5, my little nieces and nephews. It's just that perfectly sized seat when you want that little bit of elevation. Say you want to get down on the floor and play, but it's too hard to sit on the floor or it's uncomfortable and you're trying to sit crisscross applesauce or like find a comfortable position. This is that little stool you're gonna sit on instead. 4 great colors to choose from. The end is our gray choice. So gray and tofu are very similar, but you can see, thank you, my darling. That's your gray choice right at the end. Tofu is right next door. I love these names. There's your rose choice, that really pretty light pink. And then I have been sitting on the navy this whole time. Navy. Ashley, it's so comfortable.
My favorite.
I just said to myself, Chelsea, you should stand up at some point because I want to show you what you're getting. But it's such a comfortable little seat. And look how quick and easy it is to transport.
Super easy to transport, or you could like hang that up in your garage. You could slide it even under, you know, in a closet, or put it in your laundry room or whatnot. But like not just for gardening, also for cleaning, so that you're at a great height. So you're 13 inches off of the ground. We found that that's the perfect height for you to be, that you're able to access you know, the ground, the floor, wherever you are, and be comfortable as well. And then the seat is about 16 inches by 11, so really a great size.
And I was just thinking too, you know, I love that that one is you know, full of tools. So if you're doing little handy things around the house, you want to have everything you need, like even your phone. I know all of us
gosh,
carry our phone all the time. When you're outside, you might still want to have your phone in case you're expecting a call, or you just want to like check and see what's going on in the world. You got your phone with you at all times.
You know where it is.
That perfect elevation. And look how handy it is that the bag connects to the seat with those great little clips.
And then two different ways of access here. We have the top, if the bag is separate from the stool. Then again, we have that design on the front here with that curved so that you can access as I'm sitting on the stool, as I'm gardening, or if I'm at that ball game and I want to grab a bottle of water, you can do that as you're seated. And then in the front here again, we have the 3 pockets with that elastic to keep those items in place as you transport them.
I just think this is one of those things that you are going to bring home and find that you use it for absolutely everything, because so many times if we're thinking about going to outdoor concerts, you know, concerts on the lawn where like, I guess people are sitting on blankets, but that is not possible. I don't want to get down. If I get down, I won't get up.
You don't get your pants dirty.
This is that seat that gives you that perfect amount of elevation. And tell me, Ashley, you can sit on it 2 different ways, right? You can turn it sideways or the other way.
Absolutely, 2 different ways.
It's comfortable.
Very versatile. The seat is 16 by 11, and again, we're that 13 inches off the ground, which we found is really that perfect sweet spot that you can access the grounds as you're gardening or cleaning, or you said you're painting. You know, you name it.
Okay, we're looking at her. She's using that bag, you know, as she's weeding, as she's getting all those little like bits and bobs and scraps from her yard. She's carrying it separately. Then that allows her to empty that out into the trash can. So again, there's just so many ways to use it. But tell me what this is made out of.
So this is a strong polyester material, very, very durable. Again, it's gonna hold, very super lightweight, but holds up to 250 pounds. When you wanna clean it, you just wanna wipe it clean with a cloth, maybe a little bit of soap and water if you want to.
The same thing with the bag. You
Absolutely,
can
same
clean it
material.
that way as well. Great colors to choose from. You're looking at the tofu choice, which is like that light kind of cream color. Then we have our gray, but our most popular choices so far is rose. And then the leader of the pack is navy, because it's just a great color. This is such a handy, versatile seat that's going to give you the elevation you need, and you're saving money today. 30% off. It's $31.99, saving $17 today. 5 easy payments of just $6.40. So whether you are gardening, whether you are playing with the kids, playing with the dogs, you know, cleaning those baseboards, please come to my house and do it as well. This gives you that perfect seat.
Perfect seat, cleaning, you know, and you can keep all your supplies in there, or you're going to the lake or something this summer. Put your snacks in there as you go down fishing. It really is camping. You're going to use it more ways than you realize.
My husband loves to fish close to our house. This is that perfect seat. It's M93936. Make sure you tap the app. Visit us on QVC.com. Ashley,
thank you,
I love
girlfriend.
seeing you.
Great to see you.